Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. And if you're new here, welcome girl. If you're not, welcome back. And thank you for the support. And as usual, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram. Everything will be in the description box. So today is Sunday, September 5th. Ooh, my hair look like it. So I am, oh, my hair is giving. What the fuck? So I have a couple stuff that I want to do today. What I have to do, I'm gonna get a pedicure because my toes looking raggedy, and I'm going to go get groceries. I'm gonna cook today, and I want to go get my car washed before I go get my nails done. But it's 2:23. I'm kind of pushing it to be coming home late because I kind of want to go to the pool too. I know, right? A lot to do it in so little time. So yeah, I'm just taking you along with my day, and I think I am a vlogger now because I love doing vlogs. Like, I like to just sit down videos, but I feel like I'm not as creative as I would like to be. Yeah, and also I'm working on myself. But yes, I'm just taking you along my day. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. This is just a fat girl trying to give off skins. So this is my power leggings from Women's Base, and I believe it's a large or extra large. I should have sized down, whichever size it is. I'll definitely link it in the bio. Editing Brie, remember that. And this bag is from, it's either Fashion Nova or Shein. No, it's Fashion Nova. Fashion Nova or Fashion is the thing, I'm not sure. I'll try and find the link. And I'm just gonna wear my Tory Burch, but they're in my car. My watch is my Course. Chain is Bay. And yeah, so. And I also, guys, I bought this on Etsy. I will link it down below. So it's just like, it has like, focus. You see the brie, so cute, and it's pinky. Guys, I swear, say I don't like pink, you know. I swear, oh, I don't like pink, I'm not girly. Pink, my book them pink. Guys, it's just, I just like pink. I really like pink. And then I put this quote here: talking is not trying, because I tend to do that and I need to remind myself. And then I just have some like envelopes, not envelopes, like little, I don't know what you call this. So this is like groceries, gas, personal, savings, emergency fund, beauty. So yeah, and no, I won't be walking around with this, with all the envelopes. What I do is, like, for example, I'll bring gas, groceries, and like probably personal with me on the road, but then the others would obviously be home because, you know, I'm not so stupid. But yeah, so I'm bringing this with me because I'm gonna start using it this week, and it was payday and I want to like put it in. So I'm so weird, like I'm going to go deposit the money before I get gas, and I need gas. I have like 30 miles in my car. Oh wow, I didn't realize, excuse me. But yeah, I'll see you when I'm in the car. That was a flop. So I just went and got Smoothie King. Ooh, hold on. I just went and got some Smoothie King, and I'm just gonna head to the grocery store because I don't want to get home too late, because I'm gonna just put away the groceries and go to the pool. But yeah, so I'll see you when I'm in the grocery store. Yeah, we've been defeated again. The car wash was closed. Why you have a drive-through car wash closed? Like, wouldn't you want it to keep it open? So guys, yeah, we've just been defeated. We have to just go another day. So the vlog's not gonna end today. I'm going to vlog for another day. So yeah, I'm gonna bring up the groceries and go put my bathing suit on and go lay by the pool. Period. Alright guys, so I unpacked all the groceries and I did my bouquet of flowers. So doesn't it look so good? I love me some roses. Yeah, so I'm gonna go change into my bathing suit and then we can head to the pool. I'm excited. I think I might bring some wine with me. I don't know, but yeah, so I'll come back. I don't know if I'm gonna take you guys because I saw lots of people there when I was coming in. But when I come back, we'll be making dinner together. So yeah, see you guys. We're ready for the pool. I'm bringing some veggie sticks and a bottle of water. So guys, I feel so pretty, like, oh god, but yeah, so let me take this off. But yeah, I'll see y'all at the pool. Hey guys, good morning. It's Wednesday, September 8th, and my couch just got delivered. I'm so excited. It looks so good. I haven't even set it up yet. I have to put the feet on, but it looks like it can be without the feet. So yeah, I'm gonna try that because I don't have a screwdriver and I'm not gonna wait. So yeah, I'm just gonna prop you guys up so you guys can watch me set it up. Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Stay walking by my name bake. Sit back and roll over. Smoking that shit to the face. I call it cool different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble you come from the hate. Straight back in the rain, wait. Starting off in the fast lane. Smoke all back to the brain. Sliding that Benny move, same. 2018, the new range. Come through that shit, ease the pain. Fuck you a simple pain. Rico and Sack on these saints. Doing that shit that you can't. Jump on your bit like a saint. I'm trying to stack on my ring. I'm about to blow like. Guys, I love it so much. Like, it fits perfectly. Like, you know, I can put like a lamp there. I just turn the pillows around because I don't like them and I'm gonna get pillow coverings. But yeah, I'm loving it. Like, I feel like, oh, and I also got this. I got it from Facebook Marketplace. It's not from IKEA. I need to mount my TV, but that's not a priority right now. But yeah, I'm loving the couch. All right, so today is a vlog. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to the gym because if I stay here, I'm not gonna go later. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get my workout in, and then we can regroup and see what we're gonna do with the rest of the day. So guys, I'm back from the gym. It's been a couple hours. What time is it? It's 1:40. So I'm just gonna go ahead and run my errands. This is bothering me. So I'm gonna get a pedicure. I'm gonna probably go to Ross, and I have to go to Walmart, and I'm gonna grab a coffee and I'm gonna wash my car. So yeah, this is just my outfit. This shirt is from, where is it from? H&M, and it's just a button-up shirt, and I just tied it like this. Shorts, Shein, bag, pretty little thing. And I don't know what I'm gonna wear on my feet yet, but yeah, this is the outfit. So yeah, let's get going. Don't put me on no time, I ain't late. Stay walking by my name bake. Sit back and roll over. Smoking that shit to the face. I call it cool different race. Get on the car, hit the gate. Ain't seeing no slum of the day. Trouble you come from the hate. Straight back in the rain, wait. Guys, I just did my eyebrows and I look like a new person. Like, your eyebrows just shape your face. Like, look at that. Yeah, so I got my toes done. I'm probably just gonna go to TJ Maxx or Home Goods, probably Home Goods, and I need to go to Walmart because I need pillow covers. So yeah. Hey guys, so I'm finally home, and truth to be told, I am exhausted, so I'm gonna relax. I got my Apple TV to set up, but I didn't have any HDMI card and my package was delivered when I got home, so I'm just gonna set that up. I already have dinner from Monday night. I had leftovers to eat last night, but then I went to bed and I didn't have dinner, so I'm gonna have that tonight. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the video here, and as always, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and as always, see you next time.